Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Evoque 2.2 diesel. It's a very high specification, finished in my favourite colour, Firenze Italian red. It's got the full black pack on it as well, so anything that should be chrome is black. It's got lovely gloss black alloy wheels, gloss black roof with a panoramic, privacy glass, rear park distance control, does have a reverse camera as well. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside for better light, but kept inside our indoor showroom for viewing. Boot area, as you can see, is absolutely lovely. Full black leather interior with a white stitch piping. Got electric memory seats, electric windows, panoramic roof. It does have a tilting blind as well. 87,632 miles. Got paddle shift on the gearbox. That's been upgraded in red. Just start the car up. Got cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, different driving styles, heated leather seats, satellite navigation, reverse camera, full media pack, my video as well, DAB radio, centre armrest, heated seats work, they're lovely and cool on my bum. And you've got the Meridian Hi-Fi upgrade. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.